Ever wondered how technology is making life easier with every passing day? With new inventions and upgrades coming out every other day, there seems to be no end to imagination. Needless to say, the goal of each product or process is to reduce the burden on humans. One such technology is Robotic Process Automation, or what we otherwise call RPA. In today's video, we will be explaining everything you need to know about RPA. So what exactly is RPA? RPA is a process of automating the tasks or processes with the help of robots or software with the ultimate goal to reduce human intervention. Now, these bots can either just follow the rules defined by the user or can use machine learning capabilities. It can also suggest the user the recommendation and generate meaningful results. RPA bots can replicate the majority of interactions between humans and computers, and guess what? It can complete a large number of error-free operations at a really high speed and volume. In short, it is actually a game changer. RPA takes over computer tasks that are repetitive and monotonous. Consider it to be something like a cut, copy, paste kind of task, or maybe a task that involves the transfer of files from one location to other software robots that run on a physical or virtual machine, or what we refer to as robots in robotic process automation, not the fancy and advanced humanoid bots you are thinking about. RPA automates tasks on a routine basis that used to once require a human hand. Most of these tasks require to be done frequently and repetitive and time-consuming. RPA comes as a promise which can increase the efficiency of organizing by speeding up and replacing human involvement. In other words, RPA acts like a human brain. It is a type of technology that automates business activities by using business logic and structured inputs. A corporation can use RPA tools to set up the software or a robot to capture and interpret applications for things like processing transactions, modifying data, triggering replies, and interfacing with other digital systems. RPA scenarios can be as simple as sending an automated email response, or it could be also as complex as installing hundreds of bots to automate operations in an ERP system. The biggest advantage of RPA is that it allows businesses to save money on staffing and eliminate human error. Bots are often low cost and simple to set up, as they don't require any custom software or extensive system integration. RPA has come to be known as software robotics, which uses automation technology to replicate back-office functions performed by humans, such as extracting data, filling out forms, moving files, and so on. It integrates and performs repetitive operations between enterprise and productivity applications via APIs and user interface (UI) interactions. RPA solutions automate the execution of numerous tasks and transactions across disparate software systems by developing scripts that mimic human processes. This type of automation employs rule-based software to carry out high-volume business process activities, freeing up human resources to focus on more difficult work. To be competitive in the market, RPA technologies will need to go beyond task automation and expand their capabilities to include intelligent automation (IA). This sort of automation goes beyond RPA by adding artificial intelligence subdisciplines including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. RPA is more about performing tasks, whereas AI is about thinking and learning. It uses data to train algorithms so that software can accomplish jobs more quickly and efficiently. Robotic process automation is frequently confused with artificial intelligence (AI), but the two are not the same. The key distinction is that RPA is process-oriented, whereas AI is data-oriented. AI bots employ machine learning to discover patterns in data, particularly unstructured data, which it learns over time, whereas RPA bots can only follow the processes set by an end user. To put it in another way, AI is designed to mimic human intelligence, whereas RPA is designed to do human-directed activities. It cannot use logic or do things on its own. RPA and AI, however, work well together. RPA can benefit from AI to help it automate processes better and handle more complicated cases. RPA also allows AI insight to implement faster rather than waiting for manual implementations. RPA has a number of advantages. Less coding. RPA doesn't always require a developer to set up. Drag-and-drop features of the user interface makes it easier for non-technical employees to get started. Rapid cost savings. Because RPA reduces team workload, workers may be moved to other high-priority tasks that require human input, resulting in an increased productivity. Improved customer satisfaction. Because bots may operate 24 hours a day, they can reduce client wait times, resulting in higher customer satisfaction. Improved staff morale. RPA allows your team to work on more intelligent and strategic decision-making by removing repetitive high-volume activities. Better accuracy and compliance. Because RPA robots can be programmed to follow precise workflows and regulations, you can effectively eliminate human error, especially in areas where precision and compliance are required. RPA can also create an audit trail, making it easier to track progress and fix problems faster. Existing systems will continue to operate because bots function on the presentation layer of existing applications. Robotic Process Automation software does not affect underlying systems. So, if you don't have an application programming interface, API, or the resources to develop sophisticated integrations, you can use bots. Robotic Process Automation bots possess the same level of digital expertise as humans. Consider RPA bots to be a digital workforce capable of interacting with any system or application. Bots can copy-paste, scrap online data, perform computations, access and move files, parse emails, log into programs, connect to APIs, and extract unstructured data, to name a few capabilities. There's no need to change corporate systems, softwares, or existing processes to automate because bots can adapt to any interface or workflow. RPA bots are simple to create, deploy, and distribute. RPA bots can be configured if you know how to record video on your phone. It's as simple as pressing the record, play, and stop buttons and dragging or dropping files around. To perform business activities across the organization, RPA bots can be scheduled, copied, altered, and shared. RPA is gaining traction due to its ability to cut costs, streamline processes, and improve user experiences. Another benefit of RPA software is that it may be implemented without the need for business's unit to seek IT support, as well as without modifying an organization's underlying IT architecture. RPA's ability to mimic how humans do a computer-based process has contributed to its appeal as compared to more scalable automation technologies like application programming interfaces, APIs, or low-code development, which require specialist knowledge to operate. RPA bots can be made as easy as recording a user's click and keystrokes while interacting with an app. When issues arise, a user can easily see how the bot interacts with the app and pinpoint the stages that needed to be improved. In fact, these simple recordings are frequently used as a starting point for developing more complex bots that can react to changes in screen size, layout, or procedures. Machine vision is used by more advanced RPA technologies to read the icon and layout on the screen and make adjustments as needed. Some RPA solutions can also leverage these initial recordings to construct hybrid RPA bots that start by just recording an existing workflow and then generate workflow automation dramatically on the back end. These hybrid bots combine the ease of RPA creation with the scalability of native workflow automation to create hybrid bots. Process mining and task mining tools are utilized in other RPA installations to automatically record business processes that serve as starting templates for RPA automation. Process mining, for example, can examine the logs of ERP and CRM programs to produce an automated map of common corporate operations. To collect a user's activities across different apps, task mining techniques use a locally running app with machine vision. Now let's take a look at some of the pros of RPA. RPA is employed in a wide range of industries, especially those with repetitive duties such as insurance, banking, finance, healthcare, and telecommunications. It is used in finance to automate governance, account reconciliation, and invoice processing. It is used to automate a variety of supply chain tasks, including data input, predictive maintenance, and after-sales assistance. It is used by telecommunication firms to set up new services and billing systems for new accounts. The following are some of the ways that robotic process automation technologies can aid firms in their digital transformation efforts. By enabling better customer service, ensuring that business operations and processes adhere to regulations and compliance standards, dramatically reducing processing time, improving efficiency by digitizing and auditing process data, lowering costs by reducing manual and repetitive tasks, and allowing employees to be more productive. The following are some of the most popular RPA applications. Customer service is really important. RPA aids businesses in providing better customer services by automating contact center tasks such as authenticating e-signatures, uploading scanned documents, and checking information for automatic approvals or rejections. Accounting services like general accounting, operational accounting, transactional reporting, and budgeting are areas where RPA is used. Services in the financial sector. RPA is used in the financial services industry to automate foreign currency payments, account openings and closings, audit requests, and insurance claims processing. Healthcare, patient records, claims, customer service, account administration, invoicing, reporting, and analytics are all handled using RPA in medical businesses. RPA is used by medical businesses to handle patient data, claims, customer service, account management, invoicing, and reporting. HR functions such as onboarding and offboarding, updating employee information, and timesheet submission can all be automated with RPA. Management of the supply chain. RPA can be used in supply chain management to automate order processing and payments, tracking inventory levels, and monitoring inventory levels. With that, we come to the end of what RPA is all about. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss on any of the videos we have for you. Thank you for watching.